Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at IAA in TULSA. Yep, one of my favorite places to be. It's a beautiful day here in Oklahoma. Can't believe it's February. Yeah, and the temperature, woo, in the 60s. Love it, love it, love it. Love looking at all of these cars and trucks and SUVs, and we're going to show you some of the coolest ones they've got right now. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? It looks like snow. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Check this out. Well, okay, just look at this part. We're going to focus on this right here. 2007 Chevy Silverado in red, racing red. And she looks good until you see something fell on top of her. But this would be an easy fix. You could probably save yourself a lot of money. Okay, something may have ricocheted and got this right here. But this is a nice truck. Look at the wheels. Look at the tires. Look at the 20s. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, you get what used to be a bed cover, which is nice. The damage is just the bed. Okay, it's just a little part on top. It's just a bed that you could take off and put on a new one from another truck. Easy, easy to do. I like this so far. This would be a good one. Okay, in case you've been following my little channel, as we look inside, I have a red and white Ford pickup truck that has given me so many gray hair, plural. It's driving me crazy. And we're still working on the transmission issues. This one though, other than being a smoker's car and a farter's car, can I say that? I don't know. It looks good though. This is looking good, and there's power. I like this. I really do. There's a little bit of tread on the tires. But what do you think about this for a possible tow vehicle? Just put a bed on it and be done with it. Okay, get yourself a mirror and you'd be in business. I like this. When's the last time I had something with cloth seats? Well, okay, my Ford has them, but we found out what kind of bodily fluids were on that. Go back and see the video if you haven't seen the video. We found all kinds of crazy things on that bench seat. But this looks good. Let's see if she's going to give us a little start right here. Okay. Of course she's going to start. Man, she's nice. Okay. A nice little detail would do her just a world of good. And this is like basic. This is manual seats, manual everything. You do get the windows that go up and down. And they do go up and down, which is nice. Except that one doesn't. That one does not. They're trying. What's wrong here? Wow. Okay. Well, the most important window works. That's okay. And of course, that's not going to work right there. This is basic, folks. Low pressure, change engine oil soon. Check engine light is on. Gas is almost completely gone. Check left front tire. Okay, let's see if we can. How do you clear all this stuff out? Change engine oil soon. Yes, I know. I know. Mileage on this, 193,311. It says it right up there. Okay, there's your sticker. 193,000 miles, but the truck, I got to be specific about what I say here because people get so upset. It's a truck. I know that. I call everything a car, but it's a truck. Let's just see what it looks like under here. Are you a Chevy person or a Ford person? Huh? Here we go. This is nice. Okay. Little Vortec. Easy to get to fix your spark plugs and all that kind of stuff. Belt looks pretty good. There's still coolant in there, and you can hear the air conditioning cycling. Okay, well, what about this? Is this a contender? I gotta tell you, I like it so far. How much would a truck bed be in red? Well, you can get it any color and then just paint it. But there's no damage other than that. And I don't care about that. I'll spray paint that. Heck yeah. Let's just see if these work. See, now these work. Okay, that's all right. I do. I like this. We're gonna mark this one down because this would do really well. And it's got the big old tow hitch. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, we're gonna mark this down and we're gonna move on. Well, I'm seeing a theme develop right here. Check this out. You don't see these every day. Yeah, but just a plain old Pontiac, right? Nope. Nope, nope. It's a G8 GT. Yeah, with the big V8. It's a G8 with a V8, and what is it, 360 something? I don't know, horsepower, I believe, maybe. Okay, so she was going fast when she scratched something. Okay, so there is some damage. We've got it right here. We've got it right here. This tire seems to be holding air. This one is holding air. There's a little bit of tread left. You need some work. Okay, she does need a little bit of work. But is it really, really serious? I don't know, because I don't know how far this got pushed in. Okay, there's a little bit of the hood that's damaged right here. You want to see the go fast part? Here we go. There it is right there. Check that out. Woo! Yeah. This is a huge intake. And they have the Go Faster filter on it. Yeah. Let's see what this is. Emissions, USA commissions. 6 liter right there. Wow. All right. Well, hopefully she has power. You think so? I can look past all this damage, just the engine alone. Holy moly. All right, let's just kind of see. What does she smell like? Sniff test. She doesn't smell bad. Okay, the seats are in pretty good condition. Oh, there's power. Let's see if I can. There it goes. Oh. Talking about fees because I plays the game. I guess. I don't know what he's saying. Anyway, tire pressure system fault. Oh! Holy crap. Okay, so she is a beast. It says check engine. Tire pressure. This is a beast of a car. Holy moly. Okay, I don't like that. She's got something serious going on, but holy crap. She's a little better when you keep it running. She's shaking like a race car. Holy moly. You think she'll go? Holy crap. That was loud. I think everybody, the whole yard is looking at me right now. Everybody's looking at me. Woo! Okay. Let's see. Seats are in good condition. The back seats are kind of cool. Can we get into the trunk? I don't even know. What's this for? That's something cool, I guess. A little power port. I guess maybe we'll just have to use this. Oh, I don't even know how it works. Okay, anyway, there you go. So I don't even know if she would have stayed running after I took my foot off and stepped outside, but this is it. That's a beast, but as you can see, the radiator's kind of pushed back a little bit. Got some hose issues right there. Yeah, so right here, we got all this, which is supposed to be out about that. So she's a good 3 inches off. But what beast. I need to put this in my old Mercedes. That would be cool. Yeah, let's do that. All right, we're going to mark this one down if we can figure out the number. But this, just the engine alone, is worth some cashola. It's not red, okay? I'll give you that. But for some reason, I keep coming back to this Enclave, this Buick Enclave. I don't know. Look at the tires on this thing. Those are huge. And they look kind of sporty instead of soccer momish. You know, should we start making up words again? This is why I keep coming back, okay? And I don't really know much. Look how cool that is. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, it's plastic. Of course it's plastic. But that is so pretty. Yeah, I can use that word. Pretty's a good word. The seatbelt is locked. So you'll need a seatbelt tensioner. This is a comfortable place to be. But look again, once again, the plastic, what is this? Bird's eye maple or something? Remember they had the gray wood in the Mercedes, the CLK? I have a whole trim kit I need to put on eBay for the CLK Mercedes in this gray. I don't know, it's just so beautiful to me. And I'm not a gray person, I'm really not. But this is nice. I don't know the year because mileage, 172 is when the oil needs to be changed. So I'm going to say about 170,000 miles. Where's your VIN? Okay, you go right here. And 9 of 13. So it's a 2013 Buick Enclave. With the, oh, these are cool. These are neat. Third row seating. So you do get lots of storage when you don't have little bitty kids to put back there. This is kind of nice. And cup holders in the door. What do you guys think about this? I don't know. It doesn't, oh, it does have a hitch. But it's a little V6, I think, so. It couldn't pull anything for me. But it's a nice looking car. Truck, SUV. Four-wheel vehicle. Not a whole lot of damage either, just right up here. So, if you're really particular, you could get a new bumper. Or if you're like me, heat up some water, pour it on there, heat gun, pop it out, paint. You need a new headlight, and you'll need a new hood. Yeah, let's see if we can get underneath here and see what's going on. Hold on, ooh, that's kind of sharp. Ouch. Yeah, this is kind of sharp. Here it is. Ow, that is really sharp. Okay, I'm damaging my fingers for you guys. Hold on. There, okay, here we go. There it is. Yep, 3.6 VVT. And I guarantee there's no power here. I guarantee you. So I don't know. What do you guys think about this? Could we flip it and make a little bit of money? Depending on the price. Are there even keys? I forgot to look. There is a key and they leave it on. Why do people do that? Why? They get in here. Well, the key won't come out. Probably because there's no power. They leave the key on so the battery dies. They come out here, they know they're a good car, so they leave the key on. Battery dies. Other people like me can't come out and give it a start. So, I don't know. I'm just loving this. I am just digging that part right there. Woo! Love it. Is it a G8? No. Completely different type of vehicle. So, I think we're going to move on. What do you think about my little find? My little G8. That is great. Yeah. 6 liter. 360 something horsepower, I think. Woo! She sounded good. She really did. Oh, my eyes look so blue. Yeah, look at that. All right, we're going to mark that one down. And that truck has a lot of possibility. So, like everybody else, you don't have to be a dealer out here. You can be a member of the public. You can come out here in Tulsa at least a day before the auction and check out the car, possibly the future car of your dreams. And you can bid on it and save a ton of money. So thank you to everybody here at IAA for letting me kind of walk around with my camera and my sunglasses and have some fun showing everybody else around the world what kind of cars you can find here in Oklahoma. Love it. Please like, please subscribe, and of course, hug those kids if you have them, folks. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.